What's happening, fellas? We're at the Mid-America Truck Show. They're doing the big truck pull today, and this is a look at some of the rigs they used to haul these monster trucks here. These tires are just about past waist high. These are pulling tires. And hey, Mike Stowe, this video is for you. I know you like these toter homes. Check this out. This is a Kentucky trailer, 53-foot trailer, set up for hauling the monster trucks. And this is one badass Peterbilt toter home right here, registered as a motor home. So theoretically, you wouldn't need a CDL to drive this thing, but it's just beautiful. Big, black, beautiful Peterbilt, and it's a twin over here to it right here. This one's got a slide room on it, both of them. So they camp inside of this when they go to these events. Look at this thing. That's one impressive Peterbilt right there. Really nice. There's a whole row of them here. There's another, this is another one right here. Look at this white one. Registered RV, not for hire. That means you don't have to stop at weigh scales, but it is a twin screw or twin rear axle, Class 8 semi truck, and it is just straight up badass. Look at this. Side door entry. Probably about a 18 foot RV section. This is a Boyd built unit, it says here. I guess, was it Boyd Coddington? I think that's the same company that does the custom wheels and everything. Look at the quality of the doors on this thing. Stainless steel trim. Brandon Simons Motorsports. Big underbelly storage. Two big awnings on it. Not open today because it's too windy. Here's a rear view of the stainless steel. It's like a mirror. 53-foot trailer. Look at the little kids getting in it. I don't know how good they got it. There's a whole row of these here. This is a national truck pull, so you're gonna get the best competitors in the country coming out here. Give you an idea what the inside of one looks like. Wish it wasn't so cold today. It's freezing cold out. My hands are freezing. But this is something I wanted to share with you guys at home. We didn't make it this year. Just an awesome row of kick-ass rigs. Check it out. Full lift in here. Nice. You can put an extra rig in there. Here's a toter home. This looks to be about a 30-foot long. It's got a Kubota diesel generator. Top shelf stuff, folks. Just beautiful. And then in here, there's just row after row of a show truck. We'll get to the show trucks first, but I wanted to show you the rigs. Another Peterbilt. I see a common theme here. Every one of these is a Peterbilt. Every single one. This is a 379X. This is a Class and Pride Peterbilt, I think they call it. It comes from the factory with stainless steel fenders. Polished tanks. It's a 379X. Just absolutely beautiful. A nice open flat deck trailer. Low deck trailer. There's another Peterbilt. Just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. See the stainless steel on the top. 53-foot trailer. Here's another toter home. Every one so far has been a Peterbilt. Satellite dish on the roof. Then we got a Freightliner. Another Pete. Everyone except for one is a Peterbilt. Love the paint job on this one, the black and green. It's just badass. This one's got a slide room. And that's one beautiful rig you got there, sir. Mac Daddy pulling. Look at this thing. Wow. Annual vehicle inspection. This is just stunning rig. It looks brand new. All polished stainless. It probably is brand new. This one's got a slide room on it. Look at that. Big diesel generator on the front. Just beautiful. Look at that. Wow. Just stunning. Got the spray on bed liner around the fenders. Just super. Mack Trailer pulling team. They must be sponsored by Mack Trailer, I guess. There's a little smarty too, little smart car. They put these little smart cars in there so they can get around when they get to the track. Transportation, you know, beats walking. You can probably fit 30 of those inside here. Look at this thing. Wow. What a beauty. Here's the first Volvo. This is the Lucas Oil team. It's a Volvo 780. Beautiful looking rig. There's an International Eagle. So nice. Look at this nice, low, easy to get into door, side door here. Wow. Didn't miss a beat on this one, man. It's got the Holland body here. Just unbelievable. Here's another big, beautiful twin slide unit. Quad slide. It's got slides on all four sides. The Bullet Motorsports rig. Super stock tractor. Wow. All polished stainless. 5150 race trailers. That means they're all aluminum. Big money. Look at this. Wow. That is one beautiful rig. Just stunning. Stay tuned. Lots of more great trucks coming your way. Thanks for watching. God bless America.